Let us talk more about the proposed solution to the current chaos. How do we create immediate benefit for all involved stakeholders? That is Concord, government, business and native mass. Hello PPMO ecosystem. I really would love you natives to apply yourself to the proposed solution. Let's call it Jobs for Native Citizens as we rebuild the retail sector. The proposal should impact and benefit all stakeholders from day one of rebuild. Achieving immediate impact and long-term sustainability. Supporting the principle of people want jobs not grants. To create a working retail ecosystem as it rebuilds. Here are key roles and responsibility. 1. Concord/judiciary support and approve laws that put natives/citizens at the front of the economy and employment list. NB at the exclusion of others, in line with global practices, for example New Zealand. 2. Government/Parliament enact laws and legislation that integrates citizens/natives/locals into the retail sector. Then act when business transgresses in a transparent way. 3. Business make sure to comply. But more importantly, proactively act while the state enacts the framework. Ensuring from the rebuilding of malls, renovations, distribution, production etc. locals and natives are used. This is social cohesion and long-term sustainability. For natives/citizens at large. Support the project and be the eyes and ears to report transgressions. That way we stop MENA issues turning potentially explosive. Business please no fronting with garden boys, own laborers, relatives, network and foreign nationals. Natives have had it with this behavior. Every stakeholder should have genuine intent to make this work, and for it to be sustainable. PPMO. People's Project Management Office will manager and coordinate the process. Creating a framework that is transparent and can be accessed by all stakeholders. Giving quarterly reports and maintaining a website to access this information anytime. Click on subscribe on the YouTube channel to save our assets, no names, personal details, no cell numbers required. Just click subscribe on the PPMO ecosystem channel. It is simple, easy to implement and can work. I know most of you see this, but if not now, you will soon. uMadam here. Awesome, have a great one.